Hi everyone! Welcome to Lab 6. Last week you explored the anatomy of the skull and learned about bone structure. Today we are building on that foundation as we continue our journey through the skeletal system.
This week we're moving beyond the skull to explore the rest of the axial skeleton and the entire appendicular skeleton. Get ready. There are a lot of bones to discover.
By the end of this lab, you'll be able to identify the vertebral column, thoracic cage, and all of the major bones of the appendicular skeleton.
You'll also learn the important landmarks found on each bone. See how bones articulate to form joints, compare the male and female pelvis, and even examine how the fetal skeleton differs from the adult skeleton.
Our first stop is the vertebral column. These 26 vertebrae support your head, protect your spinal cord, and provide attachment sites for muscles and ribs.
You'll learn to recognize the four normal curves of the spine and discover why those curves are so important for balance and shock absorption.
You'll compare the different types of vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae are small and found in your neck. Thoracic vertebrae articulate with the ribs. Lumbar vertebrae are the largest because they support most of your body weight.
And let's not forget the atlas and axis. These cervical vertebrae allow you to nod your head yes and shake it no. You'll also investigate intervertebral discs and see how the fibrocartilage that makes them allows for flexibility while absorbing shock.
Next, you'll examine the thoracic cage. You'll identify the parts of the sternum, learn to correctly classify ribs, and see how the ribs articulate with the thoracic vertebrae to protect the heart and lungs, while still allowing the chest to expand during breathing.
In the second half of lab, you'll move on to the appendicular skeleton. This includes the shoulder girdle, upper limbs, pelvic girdle, and lower limbs.
You'll spend most of your time identifying bones and their important surface markings. These landmarks are where muscles attach or where bones articulate to form joints, so they are essential for understanding movement.
You'll also compare the male and female pelvis and examine how the fetal skeleton differs from the adult skeleton.
This lab is all about recognizing anatomy and understanding how the skeleton functions as an integrated system.
Take your time with the models, practice pronouncing every bone and landmark, and don't just memorize structures. Think about why they're shaped the way they are.
By the end of this lab, you'll have a much deeper understanding of how the human skeleton supports movement, protects vital organs, and forms the framework for the human body. As you prepare for lab, be sure to read through your lab manual and take the short pre-quiz to test your preparedness for lab. Remember, the quiz must be completed prior to the start of your scheduled lab.
There is a lot to do this week in lab, so it is really important you come prepared and ready to learn.
See you in lab.